2 in the morning. She's alone in her room with a bottle of pills on the floor. Yes, I'm fine. Or I think so. My mom is about to arrive. I better stop crying, but I can't stop. The tears fall uncontrollably. What is happening to me? Why I can't control myself? My mom can't see me like that. After all the problems she already have, I can't add one more to her. I have to stop crying. Maybe if I think about positive things, I'll stop crying. Let's see. Tomorrow, I see to my best friend. That's good. I haven't seen her for a long time. But what if she hates me for disappear? What if she doesn't love me like he used to? Oh no. The tears fall again. Wait, what is that? It's the door. My mom come. I'm sorry, mom, for not being the perfect daughter you deserve. Sorry for being so broke. Wait, mom. Moms, help me. I can't go on like this. I need help to live. Well, maybe I don't find. With this little monologue, I want everyone to be able to understand that mental health is very important. Please look at your friends. Ask them how they are. Give them your support. You don't know who may be having a hard time inside. And if you are the person who is having a bad time, I want you to know that you are not alone. You are very strong. So be honest with someone close. Ask for help that we can all get ahead. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.